Are you new to rebounding and unsure where to start? Join me for this 5-minute rebounding workout where we'll incorporate 5 basic moves and some basic alignment tools to help you get started on your mini trampoline journey. Hi, I'm Emily. I'm a registered nurse that specializes in women's health, and I'm also a registered yoga teacher. I combined fitness workouts and health education to help women of all ages improve mobility and balance, reduce stress, and manage weight loss. If you're new here, please be sure to click the like button and subscribe to my channel so you never miss a workout. And when you're ready, let's get started. So I'm going to set my watch. We're going to be here for about 5 minutes today. If you have a smartwatch, it's going to be under mixed cardio. If you don't have a smartwatch, it's all good. I will keep time for us. And let's get started pressing the feet evenly into your mat. Feet are about hips width apart. Knees are bent slightly. Let's start with an angel breath to warm up. Inhale, sweep your arms high to the sky. Exhale, set it down, let it go. Find that length as you inhale, sweep the arms high. Maybe your gaze looks up. Exhale, set it down. One more time. Inhale, sweep the arms high. Really grow long in the spine. Palms will kiss. And then exhale, pull the hands to heart center, prayer position. Take a moment to give thanks for this moment and thanks for this breath. And let's get started. We're gonna start bouncing. So we're gonna start with the feet hips width apart. Find a little bounce here. Feet can stay on the mat for this part. Or you might lift the feet off of the mat. Find that bounce. Knees are soft. Check in with the spine, so belly button gently draws in towards the spine. Nice. Hips are sinking back. There might be a slight bend here by your hips. And we're here for about 1 minute. This is our basic bounce. If you ever have trouble or get hung up, return to this basic bounce right here. So I got right into it. My feet are lifting, but yours might be down on the ground, which is totally fine. Just meet yourself where you are today. Have some fun. That's the name of the game, right? We're bouncing. Now my rebounder does not have a bar on it. It does come with a bar, but I chose to take it off today. You might have a bar in front of you for added stability and support. Bounce it out. Nice, we're about 15 seconds left in this move, and then we'll move to the next one. So 5 moves, 5 minutes. You got this. Find your breath. Of course, you know this. Return to this basic bounce if you get hung up on any of the moves. For 3, 2, 1. Okay, next move is going to be a scissors. So we're going to have the legs split, one leg forward, one leg back. Find that little bounce, and then let's get into it. So we're alternating leg forward, leg back. Arms are secondary. Make it happen. We're here for 1 minute. Find your breath. Maybe take that talk test. Can you say a 5 to 6 word sentence without getting too winded? If you do get winded, just back out of it. So I try to keep my workout simple and effective, right? So we're not learning any fancy dance moves. And if this does get too complicated, return to the basic bounce. Nice job. This is a great workout for your beginners, anyone new to the rebounder. I got my rebounder about a month ago, and I am absolutely crazy about this thing. About 15 more seconds in this move. Whew. Find your breath. Make it happen today. Move your body in a healthy way every single day. That should be all of our mottos, even if it's just for 5 or 10 minutes. For 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Return to that basic bounce. Go towards the back of your rebounder. Find your bounce. Then we're going to bounce forward and back. Now, this might be, an inch forward. It might be a little bit more, just depending on your stability and balance today. So here we go. Forward and back. Whew. Breathe. Let something go here. Might have that handle. There goes Charlie. Charlie's my rescue. He's, between 12 and 15 years old. He comes to all my workouts. He's always around. Nice job. Keep it going. About halfway through this move, forward and back. So this rebounder is from Can. It's a Can mini trampoline. I'm crazy about it. It is the perfect size for me. Mine is a 48-inch one. It holds up to 550 pounds. Breathe. And one of the best parts about it is it has bungee cords versus those springs, so it's super quiet too. For 3, 2, 1, come back to that basic bounce. Check in, how are you feeling? I'm feeling it today. And this really burns calories, and revs up my metabolism. All right, our next move, go ahead and step to one side. We're just gonna step out and back in. Yeah, find that rhythm, maybe speed it up. We're here for 1 minute. Side steps, out and back. If you've worked out with me before, you have seen this move before. I typically do walking or home walking workouts, but yeah, I've just fallen in love with this mini trampoline. So stay tuned because there's gonna be a lot more of these workouts coming up. Nice job, find that bounce. So let's see, we did our basic bounce, our scissors, our forward and back, our side steps. We'll have one more move after this. And yes, coming up on 5 minutes already. Make it happen today. Whew. Out and back, side steps. And when you do this, notice your feet. So feel that instability, which creates more balance for us. So we want to challenge that offset of balance. And this is a great way to do it. We're here for 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Basic bounce for a second. I'll explain the next move. So next move, we're gonna do some hip shifts. When we do this, our shoulders stay facing forward and just our lower body moves. Watch it. Join me when you're ready. Great job. We're here for 1 minute. Make it happen today. Whew. So many benefits of mini trampolining. Boost your moves, manages stress for sure. Anytime I'm feeling down, I just pop on this thing for a little while. I always feel so much better. Helps with balance, mobility. Great to incorporate in your daily life. And they say, just 2 to 3 minutes on the rebounder can really make a significant boost in your wellness. Nice job. Here for 20 more seconds. Make it happen. 10 seconds to go. Keep breathing. Take your talk test for 3, 2, 1. Great job. Start to slow it down. Yeah. Come to a rest here. Nice job. And then feet are going to come to the center. Find a little toe tap out and out. Get your arms up. You can probably hear my breathing on this video. Sorry about that. Just finding your space here for 3, 2, 1. Great job. Slow it down. Press your feet into your mat. Feet hips width apart. Take an inhale. Sweep your arms high. Exhale. Let it go. Again, inhale. Take the arms high to the sky. Maybe you interlace the hands at the top and push the hands towards the ceiling. Fold to one side. Back through center. And second side. Nice job. Back through center. Drop the hands down by the sides. Have a seat on your rebounder. A couple more stretches and we'll call it a day. So hug one knee into the chest and maybe cross that knee over the upper thigh bone. You could straighten out that other leg if your hamstring's pretty tight. Maybe just rock side to side here. If you want to go a little deeper, you might even fold forward a little bit here. Feel that nice opening in that hip, your groin, piriformis muscle. Stretch for the sciatic nerve. You can release that, let it go. Hey buddy, let's do the other side. So you'll just cross the other leg over upper thigh bone. And then we'll find that little rock, maybe side to side. And then maybe find that forward fold. So soften over the leg, bow forward, breathe. I am so proud of us today for making this happen. You made that commitment to improve your health and wellness goals. If this was your first time on the Rebounder, I am so pumped for you. I really hope that this is a workout that you'll come back to over and over again. And of course, if you want to dive a little bit deeper into your wellness journey, I'd love to connect with you further online. Please visit my website, emilydarty.com, and over there you can grab your Gentle Stride guide. That's a beginner's guide to home walking. In it, I share all sorts of tips and tools to get started on your wellness journey. And of course, if you're new here, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, let me know where you're watching or viewing from, and let's connect on a deeper level. I will see you again in a couple days. Great job today. See you soon. Bye-bye.